Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious grilled roasted pork and cheese sandwich on garlic bread. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started making our delicious grilled roasted pork and cheese sandwich on garlic bread, we have here about a half a pound of a delicious roasted pork that we did the other day. We seared it up in our cast iron skillet and then we put it in the oven. And boy, did that turn out good. I'm going to put a link in the description for that because that really tasted really good. Now today we're going to go ahead and make a delicious grilled roasted pork and cheese sandwich on garlic bread. So we have our nice half a pound of roasted pork here that we're going to use. And back here we have 3 slices of American cheese. And over here we have 2 nice slices of white bread. And up here we have our garlic butter. Yeah, that's going to make our bread taste real good. And it really is going to make our pork taste good, that sandwich. Okay, let's get started. We'll take some of this away and we'll put it aside. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and cut up our delicious pork tenderloin that we roasted the other day and seared in our cast iron skillet. Boy, did that turn out good. And we made a nice, delicious garlic butter mushroom gravy for that. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, before we slice it up, I went ahead and forgot to sharpen our knife again. So we're going to use our any sharp knife sharpener. Yep, boy, this comes in handy in a pinch. If you don't have one of these, go ahead and pick one up because, you know, if your knife's dull when you're in the middle of cooking, just go ahead and sharpen them with this and you're all set to go. All right, let's put this down here. And we'll go ahead and lock it down. It might not lock on this board because you need a smooth surface. But I'll go ahead and hold it just in case. And go ahead and pull your knife through there maybe 3 times. Okay, that's it. And you're done. And your knife's going to be nice and sharp. Alright, let's put this away. Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and slice it up. Now we're going to make it like 1/4 inch slices here. And you can see just how pink that still is in there and nice and tender. Okay, you can still see how tender that is and nice and pink. Boy, is that good. I mean, it really was really tasty when we made it the other day. And it's still juicy. Can you see it? Wow, is this going to taste good. All right, we'll put this little piece aside, you know, because we only need these. Okay, let me see if I can arrange these so you can see them better. Look at that. Boy, they're good. And they're nice and tender. Okay, now all we have to do is get ready to start making our delicious grilled roasted pork and cheese sandwich on garlic bread. So let's get started doing that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to set our burner to medium high. And we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of oil in the pan, not much. And we'll let our pan get nice and hot. Okay, and while our pan's getting nice and hot, we're going to take our bread here and we're going to put some garlic butter on there. Just like that. Beautiful. Spread that around. Make sure you got enough on there because we love our garlic bread, right? Yeah. Okay, that one's done. And we'll get the other one. And we'll put some on there. Okay, we'll save some for the other side. Okay, there's our garlic bread. Now we're going to go ahead and toast it up. So we'll go ahead and put that right in there. Just like that. And while it's in there, we'll spread a little bit more garlic butter on top. Okay, missed a spot. Okay. Now we're going to toast that on both sides, and then we'll do the other slice. Now we're probably going to flip that a couple times to see how we're doing. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Getting pretty good. We'll get that side. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, looking good. Okay, let's see how we're doing on that side. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Okay, let's flip it one more time. Alright, that is beautiful. Alright, let's get that out of there. And we'll do the other one. Ready? And we'll put some butter on that side. That's garlic butter. Yeah, that makes it taste really good. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah. Okay, it's been about another 2 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Pretty good. Okay, let's flip it back over. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. Okay, let's just go ahead and get that out of there. Put that on a plate. Our cutting board. And there you have it. Our beautiful toast for our grilled roasted pork and cheese sandwich. Yeah, this is garlic bread toast. Alright. Okay, while our pan's still nice and hot, we're going to take our nice pork tenderloin that we made the other day. It was a nice roasted pork tenderloin, so we're going to go ahead and take them pieces and put them right in there. Okay, we're looking to just warm them up good because it's already cooked. So we'll go ahead and flip that. Get a little color on them, you know. Okay, they're about done. Let's get them to one side. Now we'll go ahead and take our garlic butter toast, put that right in the middle. And we'll go ahead and add 1 piece of American cheese to that, yep. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and take our pork and we'll put it on there. Just like that. And if you want to, you can put a little salt and a little bit of pepper right on there. And of course, a little bit of garlic powder and a little onion powder. And to top that off, we'll put a little smoked paprika in there. Now we'll take another piece of cheese and put that on top. And we'll take the rest of our delicious pork tenderloin and put that on top of that. It almost fits. Yeah. And we'll split that with a little bit of pepper. Tiny bit of salt on that. And a little bit of garlic powder. And some onion powder. And a tiny bit of smoked paprika. Okay, and we'll put that other piece of cheese on top of that. Then we'll get our other garlic bread and we'll put that on top of that. Just like that. Boy, doesn't that look good? That's gonna really be good. Okay, let's see how we're doing on this side. Oh yeah, look at that. That really looks good. Okay guys, that's done. Now all we have to do is shut off our burner. Okay guys, that looks really good. Let's go ahead and put that on our cutting board. Just like that. Can you see it? Boy, doesn't that look good? Yeah, this is going to taste really good. Okay, let's just go ahead and have a taste test. Well, here it is, guys. Look at that. Our delicious grilled roasted pork and cheese sandwich on garlic bread. Boy, is this going to taste good. It smells wonderful. And that delicious pork tenderloin that we made the other day, that we well seasoned and we seared in our cast iron skillet, and then we put it in the oven and finished cooking it, and boy did that turn out good. Like I said before, I'll put a link in the description for that, because that's really tasty, and that's what we made this sandwich out of. So let's just go ahead and cut into it and see how it is. Okay guys, let's see how we did. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and have a bite of that, I think. Yeah, boy is this going to taste good. Alright, let's just go ahead and have a bite. Boy is that tasty. That's just plain delicious, that roast pork in there. It's so tender and juicy. You know, we cooked it the other day and it was really tasty, but on this sandwich, boy is it good. You're going to love it. Just go ahead and make them this way, and they won't last long if you make 2 or 3 for your guests. Yeah. Alright, this really does taste good, I gotta admit. And with all that seasoning on there, the garlic powder and, you know, the smoked paprika, a little bit of salt and pepper, and yeah, you can't beat that. Plus a little bit of onion powder. Alright guys, let me go ahead and put this down where you can see it better. Can you see it? Okay. There we go. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Delicious grilled roast pork and cheese sandwich on toasted garlic bread. You can't beat that right there.